Coach Savannah Rose Johnson, Coach Savvy, some may call me. I just wanted to take this second to explain to you how life coaching helps you make more money. Because we all love money, we all do. Let's just not be shy about it. Loving money does not make you greedy. Loving money is essential to survival, and loving money is essential to wealth management. So all of us are out here trying to get rich quick, trying these different schemes, doing all these different side hustles, but is it actually in your benefit? And so life coaching is a really good way to help you check your belief systems surrounding money and adjust them accordingly so you can ditch bad habits, bad spending, bad mindsets, and you can manifest the wealth and the life of your dreams, all with changing your belief system around money. Because some of us grow up not even realizing the different kinds of imprints that are made upon us as little bitty kids that we carry with us as adults. And having these 6-year-old, 5-year-old beliefs about money, whether it's no, you can't have that shampoo, or no, you can't have that toy, we grow up with these ingrained belief systems that make us believe that money is not attainable, it's not available to us. So coaching is a great way for us to break away from that old belief system, open up the emotional word that is money and currency, tear it apart, dissect it for what it really is, which is all it is a flow. All you get coming in brings you money, and what you give out allows you to invest not only in yourself, but in making your biggest impact. Money is needed to invest. Investing is needed to manifest. So it's not a coincidence that those two words rhyme. So money is necessary for you to use as a resource. It's not just something that restricts you or something that you can't have. No, it's absolutely the opposite. Money is something that allows you to have the resources to invest in yourself, invest in your tools, put yourself out there more, grow your business. It all starts with having that money. It's a resource, it's a tool for you, it's an asset. And the more money you have, it doesn't make you greedy. The more money you have, the more you have to share with other people. So how can you donate to charity? Or how can you afford to do volunteer work somewhere if you're always worried about your money? But if you have a plethora of money, if you have wealth, if you have extra money, that is something that you can invest and grow. And that in turn is something you can give back to other people. So money is amazing. Fall in love with money, and coaching will help you do that. Stay tuned for more videos and tips about how investing and coaching can pay off in major ways in your whole life. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Savannah Rose Johnson, Coach Savvy. Get savvy about your money. Let's do it.